Let me show you how to receive this welcome bonus of $5, guys. It seems like a smaller bonus, but it's not really small. You can use it, guys, and you can withdraw all the profits without limit, guys. So I'm gonna help you understand these terms and conditions, and there are not a lot of requirements, guys, so it's very easy. And as you can see, guys, so it's saying we have about 5 points here, guys, but when I went through, guys, there is nothing really significant other than the terms and condition down on this page here. So all you have to do after reading the terms and condition, you just gonna click open an account. Just click right there and it will take you straight to a registration form like this, and you have to fill up the information, then you click register. It doesn't require a lot of time, guys, and only few information are required from this page here. So for me, I'm going back here, guys, and as you can see, I'm gonna read for you the terms and condition here, guys. They are saying, hello trader, would like to share you a useless money in a very easy condition, and as you can see, the amount is $5 here, guys. That's directly deposited into your MT4 balance account. So the following terms and condition, the following 8 terms and condition should apply. First, you have to register at the MeFX company. So you can see up here the logo looks like this, the MeFX company, guys. So once you register there, you have to verify your data. That means you verify your account and create a standard account, a standard trading account there, guys. So at number 3, you have to share the promotion on Facebook page, guys. So you have to share the page, the promotion page, just like this, guys. Just share it on Facebook. Then after sharing it on Facebook, guys, so you have to take the bonus by clicking receive the bonus, guys. Everything will be just inside there, guys. And if you think that there's not something that you don't understand here, guys, on the broker, all I recommend you doing is just click on the chat here, guys. You can see this chat button here, guys. Then you have to put on the email, your phone number and message, and you start chatting with them right away. So you can talk to them straight even before you sign up. You can talk to them straight right away. So you can see, guys, at number 5 here, they are saying transaction of 2 lots and a minimum of $7. What is this supposed to mean, guys? So you can see the transaction of 2 lots mean that you have to trade a minimum of 2 lot sizes, 2 lot size minimum, and you can withdraw from $7. That's the minimum you can withdraw from this account, guys. So we have to withdraw a minimum of $7. Then the maximum, there is no maximum, guys. I think you can withdraw unlimited money from this account. So withdraw all your bonuses and profits. That's number 6, and the terms and conditions apply. This promotion is very limited. The company would demand for themselves when this bonus ends. So there's no yet a date when the bonus will end. So probably they are going to give the date after they've realized that they have enough clients trading this bonus. So right now the bonus is valid maybe until 2023, guys. So you can just come and take the bonus. You can also click on a button which is take a deposit here, guys. Take bonus here. You can just click right on that button. It take you on the same page, and you should fill on the information. As you can see, I have already an account here, guys. All I want to do is log in. I'm not sure if I can log in right now. Wrong password. I forgot my password. I have to go recover my password, guys. Otherwise I would have shown you how it works inside there, guys. So it's not really something difficult, guys, and there's no countries listed. Probably it's available to everybody. There's no countries listed here, guys. I was registering all the countries were just in the list. So probably you wanna take this up, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching one of my video, and don't go without subscribing. Don't go without liking the video. Thank you, and see you again on the next not the post bonus video.